hello, Muka. Hello, soft lady. Oh, it's so nice to see you. And you too. Oh, and what's going on over there? Well, Valentina's eating, of course. But usually when she's eating, all of our friends are here to watch. Yes, I know. Well, where, for example, is the little salt shaker? Oh, there she is. Hello, Salino Piccolo.
Salino Piccolo. Ah.
Oh, and you? Do you have a kiss for me, Valentina?
Oh, ti ha dato un bacio, Salino
you.
grande.
And Salino Piccolo?
Oh.
And la Muka?
Un bacio un po' distorto alla mucca.
But there's still somebody missing. Yes, I know. But who is it? Who is it? It's Signor Gatto.
Signor Gatto.
Signor Gatto.
Dov'è il signor Gatto? Sì. Somebody doesn't want to eat today.
Signor Gatto.
Signor Gatto. E la signora Coccinella?
Oh, of course. They're probably together.
Always those two. Who knows what they're doing? Prova un po' la pera così, amore. Prova. Non lo vuoi? Up. Pochino. Prendilo tu. Prendilo. Me lo mangio io. Me lo mangio io. Prova.
Valentina.
Eccoli.
What's going on here? Hey. What's that you're eating? Is that pear? Oh. And what about me?
Clearly she doesn't want to eat.
Oh. Don't you have a little kiss for me?
Apri.
Signora Coccinella.
She doesn't want it.
No.
Okay.
Oh.
Acqua.
Oh. Maybe we'll just sit over here for a while. The whole lot of us.
Hai visto chi c'è? C'è il signor Gatto, la signora Coccinella, la mucca. Ecco la mucca. Poi chi altro c'è? Salino grande, Salino piccolo. Oh, ma sai chi manca, papà? Chi è che manca, Valentina? Pepe piccolo.
Oh, Pepe Piccolo. I'm over here. Valentina, are you playing without me?
Pepe piccolo.
Ciao, Valentina.
No, she's not interested. Okay. So, that's it, folks. Ciao. Salutiamo tutti.
Bye.
Ciao. Ciao a tutti.
This pear is delicious.
I know, but she doesn't want it.